School and college in 2026 is harder than ever. More assignments, more reading, more pressure. But students who use AI tools are studying smarter, not harder. These 7 free AI tools can help you research faster, write better, understand complex topics, and save hours every week. The best part? Every single one has a free tier that actually works. Let's count them down. Number 1. NotebookLM by Google. This is the most powerful free study tool in 2026. You upload your PDFs, textbooks, lecture notes, and slides, and NotebookLM creates instant summaries, study guides, and flashcards from your own materials. It grounds every answer in your sources, so it never hallucinates facts. You can ask it questions about your uploaded documents and get cited answers. NotebookLM even generates audio overviews where 2 AI hosts discuss your study material like a podcast. It is completely free with a Google account. If you only try one tool on this list, make it NotebookLM. Number 2. ChatGPT. The tool that started the AI revolution is still the most versatile assistant for students. ChatGPT free tier gives you GPT-4 with vision, voice, and web browsing. You can brainstorm essay topics, get feedback on your writing, ask it to explain complex concepts in simple terms, and even practice languages. The key is knowing how to prompt it. Instead of asking it to write your essay, ask it to outline key arguments, suggest counterarguments, and help you structure your thoughts. ChatGPT is free to use with limits on the free tier. Number 3. Claude by Anthropic. Claude is the best AI for writing and deep analysis. It handles long documents better than any other AI assistant, with a 200,000 token context window. You can upload entire books, research papers, or lecture transcripts and Claude will analyze them. Claude's writing style is more natural and academic than ChatGPT, making it perfect for essay feedback and research assistance. The free tier gives you generous daily limits. If you work with long documents or need high-quality writing feedback, Claude is your tool. Number 4. Grammarly. This is the AI writing assistant that every student should have installed. Grammarly checks your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style in real time across every app you write in, from Google Docs to email to social media. The free tier catches mistakes that spellcheck misses, suggests better word choices, and helps you write more clearly. In 2026, Grammarly added AI-powered tone detection and rewriting suggestions. It works as a browser extension, so it is always there when you need it. If you submit any written work, Grammarly Free is non-negotiable. Number 5. QuillBot. This is the AI paraphrasing and summarizing tool that saves students hours. Paste any text in QuillBot rewrites it in different styles, from academic to casual to simple. It also summarizes long articles into key points, which is perfect for research reading. QuillBot's free tier includes paraphrasing, summarizing, and a grammar checker. The word count limits on the free plan are generous enough for most assignments. If you struggle with rewriting, summarizing, or finding the right words, QuillBot does it in seconds. Number 6. ChatPDF. This tool lets you chat with any PDF document. Upload a textbook, a research paper, or a lecture slide deck, and ChatPDF lets you ask questions about the content. It finds the relevant sections and gives you answers with citations. This is incredibly useful when you have a 100-page reading assignment and need to find specific information fast. ChatPDF free tier gives you 2 documents per day with a 50-page limit each. It is simple, fast, and genuinely useful for any student dealing with PDFs. Number 7. Notion AI. Notion is already the best free note-taking app for students, and in 2026, Notion AI makes it even better. You can ask Notion AI to summarize your notes, generate study questions from your lecture notes, translate content, and autofill databases. Notion AI turns your scattered notes into an organized study system. The free tier includes a limited number of AI responses per month, which is enough for most students. If you want your notes, tasks, and study materials in one AI-powered place, Notion is the answer. 7 free AI tools that can transform how you study. NotebookLM for research, ChatGPT for everything, Claude for writing, Grammarly for error-free work, QuillBot for paraphrasing, ChatPDF for document questions, and Notion AI for organized notes. These tools will not do the work for you, but they will help you work smarter. Subscribe to Web Oracle for daily AI and tech content.